Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little bit of an update on my baby bump and my pregnancy and just where I'm at. So as of today, I am 40 weeks and 1 day pregnant. My husband and I are just waiting. We're so excited for our little baby girl to arrive. I have loved being pregnant. You know, people constantly ask me, how are you feeling? Are you okay? Yeah, I mean, I'm great. I just want to meet her already. I want to hold her. I want to kiss her little cheeks and squish her little legs. I'm so excited for that. I will be having a natural home water birth. So that's the plan. And I am going to film that and I will be uploading that for you guys. I do post a lot of updates on Instagram. So if you want to follow my pregnancy a little closer, check me out on Instagram, follow me on there. Also, I am launching a blog very soon, and in this blog, I'm going to be very honest and raw about a lot of things. So this is going to be a place where I can connect with you guys on a deeper level about things that are more intimate and things that are really close to my heart. So let me show you my bump first. So this is my bump. Actually, let me zoom out. Okay, so this is my bump. Like I said, I am currently 40 weeks and 1 day. So I'm just gonna show you guys the bump. There it is. Y'all, this bump is pretty big, okay? I've actually gotten asked if I'm having twins by strangers, and I don't get offended, I just laugh. No, I'm not having twins. I'm just having one girl. I did get a line, which I thought would bother me, but honestly, it just doesn't. With the line thing going down the belly, people have asked me, why do some women get it and why do other women not get it? I have no idea. I did Google it and everything to try to find out. And then I asked one of my friends who's a nurse. I guess it has to do with the melanin in your skin, and I don't know. It's just kind of like this thing where it happens to some women and it doesn't to others. I personally don't care. I thought I would care, but I don't. I've loved everything my body has gone through, all the changes. I think they've been so beautiful and amazing, and to me it's completely worth it. I did complete an Amazon registry. I had a baby shower, and everything that I registered for, I did it through Amazon because I felt like that was just easier for everyone. Just because we live in Washington, we have a lot of friends in Ohio and in Michigan. My sister lives in Florida. So because of all of that, I just thought, you know what? It would be the best thing if we could do it on Amazon, so people have like 2-day shipping and they can order basically from any brand. When you complete your registry on Amazon, they send you a box with goodies, and it's $35 worth of goodies that they send you. They pick out the products. I have not opened this. Well, I've opened it, but I haven't looked in there. I have no idea what's in there because I wanted to open it in front of the camera for you guys to see my natural, real reaction. All right, so let's open this box because I've been waiting for a while. It comes with this cute little paper. I hope you guys can see it because it looks really bright on camera. And then this is what it looks like in there. Blanket the world with love. It's a muslin swaddle. So it's a breathable, super soft cotton blanket by Amazing Baby. That's nice. So it's supposed to be multi-use. You can use it to swaddle, you can use it as a play mat, or as a sun shield. Aw, it has little zebras all over. And here it is. Cute. Next, we have water wipes. There are, how many? 10. These are nice to like throw in your diaper bag and just take them with you. So that's great. And then we have Pampers Swaddlers. This is super cute. I like the color, turquoise. Oh, 1 diaper, baby wipes. This is nice, y'all. I might actually put like little burp cloths or something like that in here to take with me on the go. Let's see what else we have. Honest. So the company Honest by Jessica Alba. I haven't purchased diapers from the Honest company yet, so I'm excited to try these out. Panda! It's a panda diaper. I love pandas. They're like my favorite. I love pandas. And then we have, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's coffee, tea, eggs, orange, and a cinnamon roll diaper. This design is so cute. It's like breakfast foods. Oh, there's also bacon on there. That's so cute. And then what is this? Oh, wipes. More wipes. Whoop, whoop. Can never get enough wipes, y'all. Let's see what else. Perfect for baby's first laundry. So laundry detergent. This is called Dreft. I've never heard of it. But yes, laundry detergent. So I'll be trying this out. Then we have Cetaphil Daily Baby Lotion. Cute. Look at how little it is. 2 breast pads from Philips Event. They'll come in handy. Oh, nice. Huggies wipes. So that's nice. It's a nice big pack. How many? 56. And then the last thing is an Event bottle. Y'all, this is a good box. Yeah. This is a nice nipple. So that is it for the unboxing of my Amazon gift registry box. This was great. I love it. I'm just so excited to use all this stuff. I also wanted to share with you guys that recently, just with, you know, being this far along in pregnancy, I haven't really been experiencing discomfort going to sleep. I feel like I get comfortable really quickly when I lay down to go to sleep. I sleep through the night. I get up one time to pee, and I pee a lot. But that's basically it. I know some women are like, oh, I pee like 9 or 10 times a night. That's not me. I know some women have a hard time falling asleep. That just hasn't been me at all the entire pregnancy. So I believe all of this is happening throughout my pregnancy because of the things that I've been speaking over my body and the things I've been praying over myself and over baby girl, and just the mindset that has changed. So I share a lot more on that in my most recent video where I talk about being depressed while pregnant. You can check that out. I'll link it below. But also, I learned a lot of this stuff from the book Supernatural Childbirth by Jackie Mize. I'll leave a link in the description box for that as well. I bought the book, and then I also bought the audio version, and I have listened to that book on audio throughout my entire pregnancy. I encourage you, if you want to get pregnant, whether it's a year from now, 5 years from now, you're trying to get pregnant, you are pregnant, you have a friend who's pregnant, or you want to learn on how to speak to your body so your body will actually listen, read the book. I'm telling you, this book is for everybody. It'll change your life. It really will. And this is not sponsored at all. Not at all. I just love the book and it changed my life and it has made the biggest difference. My friend Anna, who is also pregnant, we've been walking this out together. Her pregnancy has also been amazing. And she's also had so much breakthrough and experienced a lot of freedom and everything because of the book. And because we've been holding on to God's promises. I'm due any day now, y'all. I'm very excited. The labor tub is already in my house. We got her car seat and stroller. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love them. Her nursery is as ready as it can be at this point. I will be doing a nursery tour very soon. That video's coming. That's pretty much it for this video. If there are any videos that you would like to see regarding pregnancy, you know, babies, whatever, then just leave your suggestions in the comments down below. So until then, I'll see you guys. Well, you'll see me on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.